COVID-19 having a massive impact on this academic year, naturally you will have a lot of questions about what your education will look like. So today I'm going to be answering some of your most frequently asked questions and hopefully putting your mind at ease a bit. So the first question I have is, how will we be taught this year? Will lectures be online? So the university is going to be adopting what they're going to refer to as a bimodal approach. This means that lectures will take place online and seminars and lab work will be taking place in person and on campus. The next question is, how long will lectures be online? So the plan is for this to take place all throughout the academic year, but naturally with government guidelines changing and the constant need to readjust many policies, this may be subject to review. So I recommend you keep an eye on university updates for instances where this, amongst other things, does change. Will online classes be a mixture of live and pre-recorded videos? So potentially, yes, but the guarantee is that lecturers are expected to upload lectures and other video content for you to view at any time, but it will be up to the discretion of your lecturers if these are live first and then uploaded later, or if pre-recorded lectures are just uploaded. So to get a specific answer for you, I recommend you get in contact with your school or with certain module leads and finding out how that module will be taking place. When will we get our timetables? This is something that everybody wants to know. So what I've been told is that the university is working really hard to make sure that students know what they'll be receiving before the start of the semester. I appreciate that's maybe not the answer that everybody wants to hear, but with the ongoing situation with A-level results and COVID-19, it's naturally a lot more difficult to give an exact date at the moment, but the university is working really hard to make sure we get it before the start of the semester. So that's hopefully during Welcome Week or before, hopefully. Will we be able to access the labs and libraries is the final question. Yes, you will have access to them. In the case of labs, they will be scheduled for later in the term where possible, so that the university can adjust to operating with social distancing guidelines in place, so that it's as safe as possible to operate. Naturally, with social distancing, there will be a reduction in capacity in a lot of buildings. You may be required to wear a face covering as well. In the case of the library, there will be a requirement to pre-book, but if you access the library services page on the university intranet, there is all the detail available there on what to do if you want to book out a space in the library for the day. So I hope that answers your question there. That is all the questions that I have on my list answered. If you have anything else that you need answering, please don't hesitate to get in contact with myself, or if it's to do with something else, with one of the other members of the officer team, and hopefully we can answer that for you. Thank you.